If monday.com is giving you a firewall blocked error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can usually get you back in without wasting time. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of a browser glitch, a firewall setting on your device, or even an extension like an ad blocker interfering with the site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try first and how to test each fix safely. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should do is simply refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a quick reload is enough to reconnect monday.com properly. On your browser, click the refresh button or press the refresh shortcut. Then wait a moment and see if the site loads normally. If it works, great, you've already solved the issue. If not, move on to the next step. Next, check whether your firewall is blocking monday.com. To test this, go into your system settings and open the firewall section. On most devices, you'll find this under System Settings, then Firewall. Once you're there, temporarily turn off the firewall, just long enough to test the connection. Then go back to monday.com and see if the error is gone. If the site loads properly after disabling the firewall, that tells you the firewall is the cause. In that case, you may need to adjust firewall permissions or add monday.com as an allowed app or website instead of leaving the firewall off. Remember, only disable it briefly for testing and turn it back on when you're done. Now let's try another very common fix. Browser extensions can sometimes block monday.com without you realizing it, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions. To check this, open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the corner. Then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, return to monday.com and test the page again. If the error disappears, one of those extensions was causing the problem. You can then leave it off for monday.com or whitelist the site so everything works normally. If none of those steps fix it right away, try combining them in order. Refresh first, then test with the firewall temporarily disabled, and then check your browser extensions. These are the fastest ways to isolate the cause of the firewall blocked message. In many cases, the problem is not monday.com itself, but a local setting on your computer or browser that is preventing the connection. And that's it. You now know how to fix the monday.com firewall blocked error using a simple step-by-step process. Start with a refresh, test your firewall, and disable extensions if needed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who is facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.